Kriptomat Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Kriptomat Wallet app has been gaining attention as one of the most beginner-friendly crypto platforms in Europe. But does easy mean better? Let's break down the pros and cons. First, the pros. Kriptomat's biggest strength is its simplicity and regulation. The platform is fully licensed under EU financial laws, which gives users peace of mind when managing digital assets. It's designed for newcomers. Clear menus, smooth onboarding, and transparent pricing make it ideal for first-time crypto investors. Another major benefit is multi-currency support. Kriptomat offers access to over 350 cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin and Ethereum to smaller altcoins, giving users plenty of diversification options. Then there's the Fiat Gateway. You can buy crypto directly using euros, debit cards, or SEPA transfers. No need for third-party services. This makes Kriptomat one of the few apps that truly bridges crypto with traditional banking. Now, the cons. The biggest limitation is its fee structure. While convenient, Kriptomat's transaction fees can be slightly higher than major global exchanges, especially for small trades. Another drawback is its limited advanced tools. It's not built for day trading or complex analytics. If you're looking for charting or leverage, you won't find it here. Finally, geographic focus. Though open globally, Kriptomat's strongest support is in the EU, so users elsewhere may face restrictions or slower service options. In conclusion, the Kriptomat Wallet app shines as a secure and transparent platform for beginners. The surprising truth? It's not about chasing the lowest fees, it's about confidence and simplicity. If you're new to crypto and want a safe, regulated wallet to start with, Kriptomat is one of the best places to begin.